Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys the easiest way to get high score and block blast. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to focus on combinations. Look for opportunities to create combinations of 3 or more blocks of the same color. This will help you to clear more blocks and score higher. The second step is to plan your moves. Take your time to plan each move, consider potential outcomes and try to set up future combos. The third step is to use power-ups wisely. Save your power-ups for challenging levels or to clear large sections of blocks. Using them strategically can significantly boost your score. The second last step is to clear the bottom first. Start by clearing blocks from the bottom of the board. This can create chain reactions that help clear more blocks above. The last step is to practice regularly. The more you play, the better you understand the game mechanics and patterns, allowing you to improve your skills and score over time. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching.